kids. Dogs are one of the most loving and loyal animals in the world. They are our best friends and are always happy to see us. Dogs come in all shapes and sizes, from the tiny Chihuahua to the big, fluffy Golden Retriever. They have beautiful, shiny coats and wagging tails that never stop. Dogs are very smart and can be trained to do many things, like sitting, staying, and even doing tricks. They are also very good at sniffing out things and can help us find lost items. But the best thing about dogs is the love they give us. They are always happy to see us and will often lick our faces and snuggle up close to us. They are true friends and will always be by our side. Dogs are amazing animals that bring joy and love into our lives. They are smart, loyal, and loving, and we are lucky to have them as our friends. Dogs play a significant role in human life, providing companionship, protection, and assistance. They are often used as service animals, guiding the blind, assisting the disabled, and detecting diseases. Dogs are also used in search and rescue operations, helping to locate missing people and survivors of natural disasters. Dogs require training and socialization from an early age to become well-behaved and obedient companions. Positive reinforcement training methods, such as clicker training, can help to encourage good behavior and strengthen the bond between dog and owner. Dogs are truly amazing animals that bring joy, companionship, and love into our lives. Their loyalty, intelligence, and versatility make them an invaluable part of human society. By providing proper care, training, and socialization, we can help to ensure that dogs continue to thrive as our loyal companions.